Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Now tap on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Following that, tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. To manage them, tap on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!